Hey YouTubers, more Robb. Guys, I started grounding again. You know, I made this grounding mat a few years back and I was using it in the bedroom where I had my computer and my chair and my desk, and I would sit in my chair and use this, and after a while, a couple of times I almost tripped over the cord twice. So I thought to myself, this grounding mat is going to put me in the ground. I stopped using it and I forgot about it. Then a couple weeks ago, I was thinking about starting it again, and I did. And then I saw Dr. Rogers, who has a YouTube channel I kind of like. He's got his big thing is a really low fat, high starch diet, and completely vegan. I'm not into that, but he has a lot of really good information on his channel, and he's got like a variety channel. He covers he'll talk about his girlfriend, the government, what he had for lunch. I mean, he went to Harvard, and he's got this channel. He talks about books he likes, records of music and movies. He's a really unusual guy, but he recently started grounding. He thought he would just try it. He said he doesn't have enough evidence to say it's good or bad, but he didn't see anything to lose. And I thought to myself, you know what, I'll do it. And I've been using it for about a week. And last night I had the best sleep I have had in years. It was about 8 hours. I usually sleep about 6, sometimes less. And I had a dream about family. Everybody was happy. I woke up in a really good, I always have a good mood, but I felt good. And I don't attribute it to grounding because I've been doing other things. I've been exercising a lot. I've been trying to eat better and, do the regular things. Like I'll say in the morning, try to get some sun on your eyes, like really early in the morning. That red light is supposed to be good to reset your clock, whatever the heck that is. And, you want to become a biochemist and work on improving your mitochondria. Years ago, we had like 3 or 4 rules of health. Now you got to become a chemist and a doctor and an engineer. But anyway, I've been trying and doing different things, and I've been feeling good, a lot better. I still look like a sea monster sometimes when the sun hits me in the right angle. I'm not getting any younger, but sometimes I feel pretty good. And I don't know if this grounding helps or not, but I don't keep it to where I trip over it, so I don't have to worry too much. You need to watch the video I made about how to make one. A lot of people, when they watch the video, they say it'd be better to put a pipe outside in your window and put a wire, and you're absolutely right. Because when you hook up to your wiring system, your house, you always have possibility of problems where they could be temporary, because after you have them, you will never have more problems because you'll be grounded. You buy one of these, it helps you check your outlets. They're really inexpensive, so you can see if they're open or closed, if they're hot, or if they're good to be using as a ground. I just took a plug and took off the 2 prongs, so I just have the ground, and got a wire with a bolt, and it's not soldered. This is some copper screen, but you don't really need to use or watch my video that I made on how to make, because you can see what I made. It's pretty simple. Like I said, a lot of people say it's better put a pipe outside, but I live 3 floors up, and I don't think people below me want wires hanging down in front of their window. And I don't need the extra drama. So, yeah, I've been grounding again. I'm grounding again. So you might want to look into it and see what you think. All right. Check out Dr. Rogers' channel. He doesn't have a lot of views, and he's kind of eccentric, but I like the guy. His heart is in the right place, and you want to check out his channel. And try grounding. What the heck? What do you got to lose? All right, guys. Take care. See you out there.